It's kind of where it all started for me. My name is Jarrod Wickum. Welcome to Wickum Weld. We have our cab rack, which we started out with. That's how we started the company. The design has been developed over the years, and that was our first product line. The company started out of my garage in 2012. We've built it from just me to over 30 employees. In 2015, we decided to compete in the light truck and heavy truck, commercial and residential markets. We started on this side of the building where that wall was completely blocked off and we were just renting this side. We believe wholeheartedly as a team of building the company on quality, innovation, and service. And we transfer that into our products. You can see the craftsmanship and the quality of the welding. Because of the processes beforehand were done accurately and correctly. Innovation is taking the ideas from our customers and our team members to make a product that is functional, that looks good, and that performs well. So this is a configuration that we put together from scratch. It's for a brush fire truck. This customer said, you know, I would like to have a drawer that slides out because it would be easier for me to get to access the hoses. And this slides all the way out, has a stop so the tray won't slide completely out, and it locks into place. And it's all concealed by that little door. A lot of our customers like their boxes painted black or white. So we do a powder coat process. We bring those things in-house. We have more control over our quality, our lead time, and of course costs. It's all done out of 6000 series aluminum. So it's aircraft type aluminum. We'll take blocks of aluminum like this and we'll turn it into items like this. This is a clamp, a 3-piece clamp that goes around our extruded oval tubing. Some of our extrusions include our side rail, our deck board. These are all proprietary extrusions that we design. The way we've designed our side rail, we use what's called a huck rivet. And this bed is not welded together, but it's hucked together. We put the head of the huck rivet in this side rail where it slides back and forth. We huck all of our clips to our cross members. And what's really nice about this is you don't have to drill through the outside and have huck heads showing from the outside. It's all head and mount. This bed is designed to twist and flex with the frame rails of a truck going on rugged terrain, off-road. This flatbed will carry a load rating of 1,000 pounds per linear foot. This is the quality at Wickum Weld. We are hardworking craftsmen that are building high-quality products. We're doing it right the first time. Sorry, Z. I only gave fingerprints on the box.